Another exciting, suspenseful, and fascinating ball game as we bring you the continuing coverage of our crossover knockout quarterfinals round 2 of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Deltas. We are down to the third game. Last 4 teams to advance to the next round or semi-finals. As itong si Daryl Garcia of I Love San Simon trying to give his team the spot at the semi-finals at makakatapan niya dito. Itong si Zinbert Layug, the one who is for ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca, who delivered excellent blocks. Our game at hand, I Love San Simon kontra ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalen. Penelope Wilhelmina still alongside with the Chief, Enzo Villarosa.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Pen. Hapon pa. Akala ko gabi na. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Pen. After 2 exhilarating ball games kanina, expect fireworks from the #1 team, ang ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca kontra the star-studded team itong I Love San Simon. Kaya pwede nilang tutukan sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page ang ating laro. Di ba, Pen?
At meron din tayo, pwede din nilang mapanood itong Delta Cup 2024 sa ating Facebook YouTube channel rather, at Pampanga_PIO, at pati na rin sa YouTube channel ng broadcast partner ng Delta Cup, of course, at Sinag Liga TV. But before anything else, Enzo, the most important part is let's take a look at our tournament format dahil nandito na nga tayo sa ating quarterfinals round 2.
Sahin niya na. Siyempre, single round robin tayo after the elimination round. After 21 teams naglaban-laban, divided into 2 brackets. Top 8 dun sa dalawang bracket na yun, pumasok sa quarterfinals rank 1 with the top 4 teams having a twice-to-beat advantage. After natin sa 16, we cut it down to 8. Then 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3 ang format natin dito. Knockout style tayo dito sa quarterfinals 2. Top 4 teams na magka-qualify for the semifinals. Maglalaban-laban po silang lahat dyan in a single round robin format. Number 1 and number 2 mag-a-advance for a best of 3 finals to determine the champion. The rank 3 and rank 4 maglalaban-laban ng knockout game to determine the second runner-up or third place and 4th place dito sa ating Delta Cup.
And of course, Enzo, let's take a look dito sa ating magiging game story. Fire versus fire.
Yes, fire versus fire. The team chemistry, the Spitfire offense and defense dito ni Coach Vince Patrick Ikban and Florida Blanca kontra the all-star team netong I Love San Simon, headed by the number 4 ranked high school player in the entire country, and Andre Dungo.
Of course, coming up is the battle between I Love San Simon kontra ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca. And now, to announce our starting lineup for both teams, I'm now turning over to our arena announcer, Glenn Del Rosario.
Good afternoon, mga kabalen! This is the 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. We are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This is brought to you by our Governor, Dennis Delta Pineda. You can catch the game live on Pampanga PIO FB page and YouTube channel. You can also catch the game live on our broadcast partner at Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. This is the 3rd game of our quadruple header quarterfinals between I Love San Simon against ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca. First, let's meet the starters for I Love San Simon. At guard number 19, Andre Dungo. Another guard number 13, Steven Angeles. And center number 18, Patrick Punsalan. Forward number 31, Arley Dimla. And also forward number 7, John Santos. Assistant coaches, Gian Mago, Edrem Dimla, Rich Bravo, and Lorenzo Mago. Team manager, Patrick Cambiao. Headed by Coach Dante Torres. Now, let's call out the protagonist of Team ABE ABE King Panluyong, Florida Blanca. At guard number 15, Luis Miguel Serrano. Another guard number 25, Aldrin Serrano. Center number 26, John Bert Layog. Forward number 5, Kevin Manansala. Another forward number 11, Clyde Alquero. Assistant coaches, Jason Sundiam, Christopher Kasupanan, and Kevin Serrano. Team owner, Honorable Mayor Darwin Manalansan. Headed by Coach Vince Patrick Ikban. Our officials for this game are Crew Chief Anthony Roque, First Umpire Dennis Escaros, Second Umpire Bert Esuga. Let's start.
The starters for I Love San Simon, Steven Angeles, Andre Dungo, Patrick Punsalan, Parley Dimla, and John Santos. At para sa panig ng ABE ABE King Panयुlang Florida Blanca, Aldrin Serrano, Luis Serrano, Jean Layog, Clyde Alquero, Kerwin Manansala, Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the Chief Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo manning the sidelines. Para sa ating third game ng ating knockout crossover quarterfinals round 2.
Oh, okay yung music natin, ha?
Hindi na yun maririnig mamaya.
Yun dyan na yung drums ng Florida Blanca, eh. Speaking
First
of
ball
Florida
possession.
Blanca, there you go.
Goes to Florida Blanca.
Layo!
Nalilito tuloy ako. Aldrin Serrano pala yung 25. Luis Serrano yung 15.
15.
Magpinsan kasi.
Magpinsan, di ba? Okay. And ito, interesting to see how Florida Blanca faces off against etong San Simon na, as we said nga, an all-star lineup ang meron sila dito sa kanilang full blast. As eto, Dungo agad. Sumukat din ng ring agad, ha? Si Doy.
But Layo was there on the rebound. Pero may foul dito kay John Santos. Nagagamit ko na talaga yung tinuro mo dito. Yung adjust.
Sabi sa'yo, eh. Hindi, mamaya main game mo talaga magagamit yan, parigurado.
Papa-extend ko yung ano niyan. So, Luis Serrano. Bounce pass to Kerwin Manansala. Balik kay Aldrin Serrano. Aldrin Serrano on the jumper. First field goal for Florida Blanca.
I remember nung quarterfinals, once sinabi niya kay MJ, or was it Daphne? I forgot. MJ or Daphne ba ata courtside natin? Basta kung sino man nag-report sa atin doon. Sabi na, ito daw yung una-unang liga na nilaruan nito ni Aldrin Serrano.
Diba sabi
Naniniwala ka ba?
Saan siya nagtatago?
Kaya nga, naniniwala ka ba? Kaya kagaling yung bata. Tapos baka ganito kalaking liga ang tinutukoy niya.
I was able to show a TikTok video of some of the players for itong lineup ng Florida Blanca dito. Naglalaro sila labas na liga sa mga interbarangay.
Yes.
Parang mga panalay ng Pampanga.
Totoo.
Tapos ganun, madalaki din yung crowd. Pero hindi ganito yung court. I mean, yung mga barangay courts,
And hindi,
ganun.
iba yung rules nila in terms of eligibility. Diba? As Angeles, in and out for Mr. Big Moment 2.0.
Kaya sanay yang si Aldrin Serrano sa mga ganitong laruan.
Yes, and kita mo naman yung potential. Ang layo
Ang
naman ito.
layo naman to ni Luis. Too short.
Yung magpinsa na to, no? Ang layo tumira. Kanina din, yung tira din ni Aldrin, eh. Diba? Gano'n nata, pag Serrano pangalan mo, malakas pulso mo, eh. Si Encho din, ganyan din tumira si Encho.
Encho din, di ba? Parang si Stephen Curry mag 3 points yan, eh.
Gano'n na gano'n, eh. Masyado naman malakas yung pasa ni Kerwin. Look at Coach Vince Ekban.
Malakas na din yung mga drums dito.
Totoo. Malaki din yung crowd. Tingnan mo yung sa likod natin, puno na
Puno
naman.
na naman. Hindi na nga ata nababawasan ng tao dito sa loob ng
Libre
BREN.
lang naman manood eh.
And of course, sobrang ganda din naman talaga ng mga larong mapapanood mo.
Exactly. Oh, look at that move by Doy.
Andre Dungo against 4! And there you have it! The mythical 5 for the UAAP Season
And-
86 Juniors.
And dagdag pa natin the number 4 ranked high school player in 2024. Look at
Andre
that move.
Dungo is scaling the 4 defenders against Jenbert Layug and
Against
Luis
Layug.
Serrano.
Against Layug pa yun, di ba? I mean, animo. Yun na lang masasabi mo eh, animo.
And
Aray.
one play is complete for Andre Dungo.
Isipin mo yun.
Animo Lasal.
Isipin mo yun na last year, 2023, he was ranked number 13. And now he bumps up to number 4. 9 spots ang inangat ni Dungo, di ba? In 1 year.
That's why he will now play sided with one of the Kapampangan pride then, of course.
Look at the physicality. And that's why itong si John Santos is there on the floor to be their starting center outside of Randem Simbulan, di ba? Nilagay ni Coach Dante Torres is John nursing that ankle injury, the right ankle injury, as said by his father, Sir Randy Simbulan sa akin.
Pero
Na-
nakakapaglaro pa rin siya. Pero
Oo.
makikita mo talaga na may difference sa laro niya. Na may iniingatan siyang injury eh.
Oh, but eto yung captain ng I Love San Simon, Patrick Punzalan, draws his first personal foul. Daming letter F. First personal. Magkakatunog eh. First
Magkakasunod
person.
pa.
FPF.
Nasa unahan, nasa gitna, nasa dulo.
Oo. Kaya nga eh.
Layog. Nalik ang bola kay Aldrin Serrano.
Good defense again by Punzalan.
Punsalan to Steven Angeles.
Look at the defense they have on Doyce. Angeles wide open. 0 for 2 for Steven.
3-2. Still in favor of I Love San Simon. The 3 points was care of Andre Dungo after the end-to-1 play. Rebound by Patrick Punzalan.
Look at Coach Vince Icban immediately looking at his bench agad, trying to find a formula for the right lineup right now against this I Love San Simon team. As
Andre Dungo again.
Grabe. I mean, in the first half ng last game nila, nung do or die game nila, first half, 20 free throws ang shoot ni Andre Dungo. First half pa lang yun.
Yun ata yung first time na nag-best player sabi, 30 points.
Oo. Pang UAA, yung mga UAAP stats nga niya yung nilabas niya, di ba? 30 points, 11 to 12 rebounds sa 7 assists, di ba?
That's why he's mainly scouted for De La Salle Green Archers. He will be siding with one of the Kapampangan prides, Jonel Policarpio. And hopefully we can see him play again for Pampanga Delta as he was a champion. You can see here, Coach Dante Torres of I Love San Simon.
Hindi lang, do not forget, also another player for La Salle is gonna suit up. The son of Sinag Liga Asa President and CEO, Boss Ray Alaw,
It's
Moore Prince
Moore
Alaw,
Prince Alaw.
our SLA ambassador, di ba? Moore is going to suit up next year. Daming magagaling sa La Salle ngayon. Damay mo pa to si Doy.
Going back here, Kerwin Manansala to Luis
Open.
Serrano once again. Yes, sir! For Luis Serrano. And there you have it. The crowd of ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca goes wild after the 3-point shot from Luis Serrano.
Great drive and kick there galing dito sa Florida Blanca. And again, Doy is really attacking the defense.
5 points was care of Andre Dungo.
Oh.
After that end-one play, complete end-one play, let's take a look back here. That 3-point shot from Luis Serrano from way downtown.
Drive and kick galing kay Kerwin Manansala. And Manansala, I said, na nung tinitingnan ko yung video, nung nire-research ko itong dalawang opponent na to, as we can see,
The father of Andre Dungo, Councilor Dave
Dungo, yes.
Together
Councilor
with
Dave Dungo.
Mayor JP Punsalan, the one on sa kanan ni Councilor Dave Dungo.
Yes.
Mayor
Andito ulit,
JP
di ba?
Punsalan.
Last game nila ng I Love San Simon, they were both here in attendance. Ngayon, nandito ulit sila, di ba?
That's 2 out of 2 for Andre Dungo. 7 points now for Andre.
Lahat ng pito kanya.
Norta. Kerwin Manansala. Balik dito ang bola. Sumagot ng 3.
Sa
Florida
Corina.
Blanca. Shakil Orina checks back in for Florida Blanca. Dungo
Open.
to Salihan. That is long for Azar Salihan. Kerwin Manansala. Took naman si Luis Serrano. Balik kay Kerwin Manansala ang bola for 3.
Good closeout by Angeles.
Dungo.
Look at him double team there on the sideline. Same philosophy na ginagawa ng Florida Blanca sa ginawa ng Guagua kay CJ Delfino. Ice him on the sideline. Pahirapan niyo si Dungo kasi pag napunta yan sa gitna, if you let him attack from the middle, he can create a lot. He can create a shot on his own, pull up for 3, get to the free throw line and create a shot for his teammates, di ba? Ice him on the sideline as Angeles, wow! One-handed turnaround shot from Steven.
Proud na naman. Si Justin Bautista sa move na yun.
Ang Gatas Brigade, tuwan-tuwa na naman sa tira na yun.
As Speedy Harvey checks in for Florida Blanca. Balik ang bola kay Layug.
The Rising Sun duo andito na sa floor for Florida Blanca. Look at that defense by
Layug to
Steven.
Orina. Back to Andre Dungo.
Naubusan lang ng
Space.
naspaso. Napaapak si Doy.
Now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa report niya sa parehong koponan. MJ, go ahead.
Thank you, Pen. The support system they have every game makes their team more competitive inside the court. According to head coach Dante Torres of Team San Simon, naglalaro kami as one team. Dapat lumaban din kami as one team. This is not just an ordinary game. We prepare for this kaya dapat double effort kami ngayon because it is now or never. While on the other team, assistant coach Jason Sundiam of Florida Blanca emphasizes the skills of their players. Given na daw ang offensive kaya he knows ano pa ang kayang ibigay ng kanyang players when it comes to defensive side. If they can give their 100% sa trainings, dapat ngayon doblehin nila. Balik muna sa inyo, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ, for head coach Dante Torres. Ang sabi lang niya dito, they play as one. Of course,
Yes.
Andre Dungo or no individual can win a basketball himself. At para dito, kay assistant coach Jason Sundiam, he recognized na magagaling itong mga players niya. Of course, big credits to coach J.R. De La Cruz of the Hustle Rising Suns. At the majority ng players ng Florida Blanca were players for Hustle Rising Suns. Enzo.
Yes, but let's not forget then yung defense. Talking about defense, offensive foul here on Dimla. But again, defense. Last game, Jin Layug. 3 steals, 7 shot blocks, diba? Let's take a look at this Mune offensive. Oh, clear ward off there by Dimla on Jin Layug. A Luit 1 Kapampangan contra Hustle Rising Sun aerial matchup there. As Random Simbulan, the JRU Heavy Bomber, and Luit 1 Kapampangan player on the floor now for I Love San Simon.
Speedy Harvey for 3.
Good
Tulong.
defense again by Angeles.
A rebound by Barley Dimla. Back to Andre Dungo. Dungo against 2. Balik
Good
ang
kick
bola
out.
kay Salihan. Libreng-libre. Tulong.
0 for 2 na si Azer Salihan.
Diretso yan sa kamay ni Shakil Orina. Shakil to Speedy Harvey. Sabi rin dito ni Speedy Harvey, sandali lang daw. Back to Shakil Orina. Orina for 3.
Too
Tulong.
strong.
10-9 in favor of Florida Blanca. With 3 minutes and 23 seconds
And here we
remaining for
go.
our first quarter.
For the first time in the Delta Cup, an all-sinag lineup para sa I Love San Simon.
Marley Dimla together with Daryl Garcia for Hustle. Luwad 1 Kapampangan rather. Random Simbulan. Andre Dungo for Pampanga Delta and Steven Angeles.
An all-sinag lineup for the first time. 1 week before we open the tournament, di ba? We finally see it dito. But look at that. The hustle ng Florida Blanca getting a steal. Oh, good block right there by Dungo.
Angeles. Daryl Garcia. Back to Steven Angeles for 3.
That looked good.
That is his spot. That is Steven Angeles' spot.
5 points now for Steven Angeles.
There you have it. Ito ang nagagawa ng connection ng all-sinag players, no?
Well, may kontra din naman to Florida
Of
Blanca.
course,
They're
the
not the
players
number
for
1
Hustle
team.
Rising Sun, Speedy
Good
Harvey.
bullet pass.
Daryl Garcia being dominant on that rebound.
Gano'ng katagal
Andre
siya sa
Dungo.
ere? Tagal siya sa ere. Just like
Good
that.
move from Dungo, but a
And he might have
sword
gotten
kick.
hurt. He fell hard. on the floor. As ito, Speedy Harvey. Good drop pass. Ayaw pa rin for Florida Blanca. Well, we're talking about Pampanga Delta, di ba? Coach Vince Icban is a teammate of Steven Angeles and
They
Andre
were
Dungo.
teammates.
Oo, no,
Andre
National
Dungo
Championship.
and Coach Vince Icban rather.
Magkakasama yan nung nanalo sila sa Cebu for a National Championship tournament. So familiar si Coach Vince Icban on how to defend Doyce and Steven.
Shaki Lorina
Good defense. Oh, foul.
against Randem Simbulan.
Yan mahirap eh. When you go across the body to block the shot, matatamaan at matatamaan mo yung balikat ng offensive player. And that's why the foul was called. Take a look at this right here. There's the bump, natamaan yung ulo, and then yun, you go across the body din. So, 3 different fouls pwede ipito doon kay Randem Simbulan.
Substitution on the floor. Andre Dungo will rest for this time. Pascual checks in for Dungo.
Angeles playing point.
Angeles with Dara Garcia. Scramble there, but the recovery for Florida Blanca, but there was a steal against Pascual. Back to Steven Angeles. Good play. Already 7 points. They're tied with Andre Dungo.
Grabe, what a start. All 14 points only coming from 2 players.
Steven Angeles
Oh, the starting
and Andre
backcourt.
Dungo.
JP Manuel returns to the lineup. Another hustle rising sun.
Pascual against Speedy Harvey.
Finally, someone not named Angeles and Dungo scores for San Simon. Now 16-11 ang ating score.
Care of Jolo Pascual. 7 points coming from Doy and Steven Angeles. And that 2 points coming from Jolo Pascual as 5-point lead for I Love San Simon.
There's a foul underneath the basket. Itong si Angeles trying to remove Manuel off the play. JP Manuel, another hustle rising sun. So yan na, kompleto na yung 3 hustle rising sun dito sa Florida Blanca.
It's JP Manuel will be sent to the 15-footer line. 1 out of 2 for now for Manuel. .7 seconds remaining. Hindi ko na namalayan yung oras. Kung di pa ako
Pag tingala ko rin eh. Kung di mo sinabi, di ko rin namalayan eh.
2 out of 2 for JP Manuel. Steven Angeles. Back to Daryl Garcia. Balik kay John Santos. Steven Angeles to Simbulan.
Try to go give and go there. We can see Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, the beloved governor of Pampanga, looking on. Some of his players are actually right now playing. An offensive foul.
27.6 seconds remaining. 16-13. Sideline inbound for Florida Blanca. Speedy Harvey. 19 on the shot clock. 22 on the game clock.
Good drive, good drop pass.
Manuel. Dara Garcia. Party team na rather on that rebound. Jolo Pascual. Steven Angeles.
Naguguluhan ka, no? 4 sila may black
Kaya
undergarment sa ilalim ng jersey.
Parley Dimla.
Good spin. Oy, bitin lang.
Bitin lang siya doon. Simbulan.
1
1 second
second.
remaining.
Di naabot.
What a first quarter. 7 points coming from Andre Dungo. And another 7 coming from Steven Angeles. And the other 2 came from Jolo Pascual. Make this ball game a 3-point lead for I Love San Simon. 16-30. Let's take a look here. Kerwin Manansala. Balik kay Aldrin Serrano with a jumper. The first field goal for our ball game. At ito, beautiful drive from Andre Dungo and from that end-one play. Here, Luis Serrano for 3. Yes, sir! For Luis Serrano from way downtown. Ito, ang agaw ni Jolo Pascual. That beautiful pass to Steven Angeles makes that 7 points for Steven Angeles. 16-13 at the end of the first quarter. Entering our second quarter with 16-30. I Love San Simon contra ABE ABE King Panyulong, Florida, Blanca.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Mga Kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasport@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. As we can see here, the star-studded lineup from our Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season.
Mga born 2001 All-Stars, di ba? And dumagdag pa isang team, ang Camarines Norte Gems. It was confirmed earlier today, the Cam Norte Gems set to make their debut sa Sinag Liga Asia.
And of course, let's not forget that last season natin on our Sinag Liga Asia, 3 Kapampangan teams.
Yes.
Hassel Rising Suns, headed by Coach J.R. De La Cruz.
Yes.
Louis Guan Kapampangan, headed by Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan and Coach Benzi Navarro. And of course, Pampanga Delta, the champion team, headed by Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Pwede natin ubusin yung coaching staff nila eh. Coach Totoy, Coach Pedic, Coach Alan, Coach Aisel, Coach Jay Sheraz. A 3-pointer right there by Jolo Pascual.
5 points now for Jolo Pascual. Now, the 19 points of these two teams came from only 3 persons.
3 players, di ba?
Jolo Pascual, Andre Dungo, and Steven Angeles. There's a pushing foul against Jolo Pascual.
Oh, technical foul. Technical foul on Gunanan and JP Manuel.
Look at the leadership of Andre Dungo. He's tapping Kunanan. He's giving some advice. He's trying to keep subtle for this ball game.
Take a look at this right here. The exchange. Nagkabanggaan yung dalawa right after the call, and Coach Vince Icban, kinakausap itong si Manuel, syempre. So the double technicals do cancel each other out. That's why walang technical free throw na shoot ang either team. But dahil nga shooting foul kanina, yung drive ni Shaq Orina, he goes to the free throw line.
1 out of 2. Shaq Orina. As we mentioned earlier, Coach Benzi Navarro from Louis Juan Kapampangan.
Binanggit mo, dumating ah.
You can see na Coach Benzi Navarro dito sa likod natin.
Binanggit mo, dumating ah.
Mamaya may iba pang dadating. Lahat ng binabanggit natin.
Kaya nga eh.
Pascual to Dimla. Dimla to Dungo. Dungo against Speedy Harvey.
Foul baiting. Grabe ah.
That is the reason why Andre is part of the mythical 5 for the UAAP.
Good call. That's the right call from our referees. Not the act of shooting. He did swing his arm to foul bait itong si Salvador. That's why hindi act of shooting yan. Dungo trying to play this case, but that's part of the new FIBA rules. When you swing, you know, nakahawak si Salvador sa kanya, he swung his arms to shoot. It's not your natural shooting motion, so hindi siya act of shooting. Out of bounds play on the sideline lang yun.
Here, Jolo Pascual. Back to Andre Dungo. That is his spot. They should be careful.
Pick. And agad-agad, kakapasok pa lang naka-layup agad ito si Harold Lopez.
19-17, that's a 2-point lead for I Love San Simon with 8 minutes and 25 seconds remaining.
Ito rin bench mob ni Coach Vince Icban, di ba? Eh yung pang-kontra niya sa lahat ng teams, the bench. And kita mo, 2 points lang ang lamang netong I Love San Simon.
Nice pass from Dungo. Papunta kay Dimla. The scramble.
And naputokan pa sila ng 24 doon.
The recovery, almost a recovery for Florida Blanca. Sideline inbound. Speedy Harvey. 8 minutes and 1 second. Back to Speedy Harvey ang bola dito. There's
And
a
another
whistle.
foul away from the ball. From Daryl Garcia.
This has to be...
And another technical foul. Is it on Pascual? Or is it on Lopez? Dalawa ang daming technicals agad. First half pa lang tayo. You can see Coach Vince Ban not happy na nabigyan ng mga technicals sa mga players dito. It's gonna be on Harold Lopez pala, not Pascual. And Coach Vince Ban not happy. Sabi niya, focus tayo. Kasi mabibigyan ng technical free throw dito ang I Love San Simon.
7 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Andre Dungo on the 15-footer line.
Again, the free throw woes. That happened last game para sa kanya. Last 2 games ng quarterfinals, round 1. You can see the proud father, Counselor Dave Dungo. He's shaking his
Kamukha ni
head.
Andre, no?
Hawig na hawig, di ba?
Harold Lopez on the inbound. Speedy Harvey. Balik ang bola dito kay Shaki Lorina.
In and out.
Niluwa pa yun. It almost goes in. Andre Dungo against Harold Lopez.
Therefore, trying to force Dungo to go left. Doy falls down again.
But last touch yun doon is Shaki Lorina. So this will be an inbound for I Love San Simon.
This game is super physical. Ang daming fouls, ang daming kiskisan.
Pangatlong laro pa lang to, meron pa
Pangatlong
tayo.
laro pa lang to, may isa pa mamaya, di ba?
Kala ko nga pangalan na natin tong laro.
Welcome to my world.
Yun pala yung feeling dito.
Iba feeling, di ba? Pag nasa panel ka, 4 na laro, compared to nasa courtside ka, 4 na laro. It's a different feeling, di ba? Angeles jukes back in para dito sa I Love San Simon.
We're stuck at 19 to 17 as Aldrin Serrano checks in.
Out of bounds para
Nice
dito kay
D
Darrell.
for coming from ano pangalan? Alquero, Alforque, tuloy sasabihin ko
Iba yun,
kasi.
ibang team si Alforque dito. Hassel yun, pero...
Alquero pala.
Oo.
Great D coming from...
And Alquero's a really good defender. Clyde Alquero.
Hindi nakaporma doon kanina si
Oo.
Darrell Garcia sa
And
depensa niya ngayon.
Big man siya, pero marunong siyang i-move yung move laterally. Really good lateral movement from Clyde Alquero. They're trying to weaken itong si Dungo by forcing him to go left. And it's working para dito sa Florida Blanca. And look at that. It leads to a turnover and then nakadraw pa ng foul ito si Harold Lopez.
We're still stuck at 19 to 17. Still in favor of I Love San Simon with 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Harold Lopez. 1 out of 2. Tingnan natin kung 2 out of 2 buffer now for Harold Lopez. This is his chance to tie this ballgame. And now, we're tied at 19. Care of Harold Lopez after the 2 free throws. Darrell Garcia. Back to Steven Angeles.
Good pass.
Balik kay Steven Angeles ang bola for 3. It goes off to the center. Speedy Harvey against Doy.
Grabe. Yung bakbakan dito ng parehong koponan, ha? Super physical game dito na napapanood natin. But for Florida Blanca, their defense is working. Napako nila sa 19 points. Itong I Love San Simon.
And that 19 points, of course, came from only three players. The 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Time out on the floor. We're tied at 19.
You make, you break, you take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under, coming very soon.
No problem despite the disadvantage. 87 to 68, the final score between I Love San Simon kontra Ingbayong Mexico.
And look at how they dominated itong Ingbayong Mexico in that do-or-die game. Look at the rebound disparity, the assist, the turnovers, points from turnovers, points in the paint. Para lahat ng stats ata favors itong I Love San Simon. A wire-to-wire victory, and binigyan tayo ni Daryl Garcia ng tatlong highlight reel dunks in that game. And siyempre, pumutok din yung kamay neto ni Mr. Big Moment 2.0. But they need to bank on those two guys once more in this ball game. Dahil nga, itong Florida Blanca is the #1 team in the entire league at 8-1. And ngayon, lamang na ulit. Itong Florida Blanca via that Harold Lopez floater.
5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Andre Dungo working with Ian Cabigting, Steven Angeles, Cunanan, and of course, Daryl Garcia para dito sa natitirang 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining ng ating first half. Inbound, Steven Angeles, Cunanan.
Out of bounds para dito kay Cunanan, stepping on the sideline. A lot of turnovers para dito sa San Simon. Napako talaga sila sa 19 for more than 4 minutes na. Coach.
Nagbago yun nung nilabas si...
Oo. Sila simbulan, di ba?
Speedy Harvey to Lopez. Lopez, balik dito ang bola. Jumper, off to the right. Possession goes back to San Simon.
That time bumawi itong si Cunanan na turnover niya kanina, stepping out of bounds. This time, good box out on the much bigger and heavier Alquero. Great effort galing dito kay Gabriel Cunanan.
Dungo, balik ang bola kay Garcia. Garcia short, rebound by Cunanan. Andre Dungo.
Grabe.
What a move from Doy.
Is there even a question why he's number 4? Well, you can question even bakit he's not higher. Pero diba, sino tatanggalin mo? J-House, Asido, diba? Jackie for Alas, diba? Who you gonna remove there? And look at that. Speedy Harvey.
Sabay pa tayo.
Bumawi itong si Speedy Harvey.
They're now up again by 3 points. Care of Speedy Harvey Salvador. 24 to 21. 4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Almost a scramble. Recovery for Florida Blanca. Grabe yung crowd dito.
Grabe rin, ang lakas din ng mga drums niya. Naglalaban din ng mga drums eh, but here's a timeout for Coach Vincent. Lamang sila ng tatlo, 24 to 21.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon.
Going back at the 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining for our second quarter, as there was a whistle.
Offensive foul clearly on Alquero. He was moving. Coach Vincent not happy with that turnover.
24 to 21. Lamang pa din dito ang Florida Blanca ng tatlo. Andre Dung on the basketball.
Bawi naman ang offensive foul. And that's parity. And you can see Coach Dante and Coach Vince. Walang reklamo eh. Pinituan mo ng ganun dito sa kabila. Dapat dito rin on the other side. Ganun pinipipito mo. That's parity from our referees, di ba? Yun lang naman ang gusto ng mga coaches minsan eh. Na fair yung tawagan. You call it on our side, call it din on kabila, sa kanila din, di ba? And that's what the referees did.
Aldrin Serrano misses the 3-point shot. Balik sa kanyang bola. Once
Layo.
again. So short. Off to the right. Possession goes back again to I Love San Simon.
And Layo goes back in. And he'll replace Alquero. So ito na, the three Hustle Rising Suns naman from Florida Blanca. Sama-sama na, Layug, Manuel, and Harvey Salvador.
Wala na talaga akong masabi sa matchup na to. All-star lineup.
Oh,
Daryl Garcia.
If you watch Sinag Liga Asa, this is the game na for sure binilugan mo, di ba? Daryl Garcia, another player. Galing JRU ito, si Daryl Garcia, Team B. Together with Random Simbulan, Renz Bernardo of Passion Sports Elite, and MJ Raimundo na MBS Lashes. Hindi yung courtside natin.
Ayun na ba, quick trivia lang. One of our courtside reporters, yung kapatid niya, was teammate din to ni Random Simbulan at ni Daryl Garcia.
Sino?
Kapatid ni Daphne Lozano. Na-mention niya sa akin.
Sa JRU? Really? Interesting yun, ha?
Kaya nung nakita niya yung dalawang sabi niya, buti pinayagan ng JRU.
Well, it's the, ano naman eh, they're not lined up pa naman. Hopefully, di ba? For the NCAA Season 100. And also kasi you're playing for your home municipality and city, di ba? Kita mo nga si Doy pinayagan ng Lasal and UST, di ba? Tapos na rin naman yung season eh, di ba? And this is their chance na magpakitang gilas. And also, malay mo, yung mga schools din naman, pinapanood din itong mga bata, makakuha din sila ng hindi nila nakuha. Guys like Jin Layug, guys like Clyde Alquero, itong Aldrin Serrano na ngayon pa lang daw nakapaglaro sa ganitong klaseng liga, di ba?
Ganito kalaking liga.
Oo, ganito kalaking liga. As one of the assistant coaches right here of San Simon. And also Coach Vince Icban, pareho silang sumugod sa score stable. Coach Vince.
3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. 24-21. Sila 3-point lead.
Okay, kanina labanan ng drums, ngayon naman labanan ng crowd.
Pero drums pa din eh.
Oo. Lopez gets teed up. And dahil pangalawang technical na niya, he's out of the court. They're gonna have to wait for him to exit the convention center dahil nga he's thrown out of the ball game. I think hinahanap lang niya yung kanyang warmer.
Harold Lopez at the second quarter of this ball game has been thrown out after the 2 technical. Take a look back here. 3-point shot for faking a foul. Three minutes and 7 seconds remaining.
Harold Lopez exits. There's a situation with regards to the crowd. When the Florida Blanca coaching staff alerting something sa crowd dun kanina. Something must have happened behind their bench.
I know it's a big loss for Florida Blanca having Harold Lopez thrown out ganito kaaga. Hindi pa tapos yung first half natin. We still have 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. 8 points. 10 rather for Andre Dumo. To 23 in favor of I Love San Simon. Florida Blanca rather. It's a 1-point lead for Florida. Speedy Harvey on the rebound. Balik ang bola kay Kerwin Manansala. Balik kay Speedy Harvey. Speedy Harvey. One of the Serrano.
Good pass. Look at that, JP Manuel just continues to
Nakakuha pa
attack.
ng foul. 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. 24-22. 2-point lead for Florida Blanca. It's now 25-22. 1 out of 2.
Still a 3-point lead para dito sa Florida Blanca.
Steven Angeles with the basketball. Back to Andre Dungo.
Good pass underneath. Yun nga lang, stepping na naman si Daryl Garcia. So wide open look na sana for Steven Angeles.
Great eye from Doy, no? Pinababa niya dun si Daryl Garcia. Still a 3-point lead for Florida Blanca. Speedy Harvey. Back to Kerwin Manansala. Manansala tried...
Ooh, fancy pass. Grabe. Highlight. Highlight.
Welcome to my TikTok.
Ikaw na gumamit nung ngayon, ha?
Hindi, welcome to my TikTok naman talaga yun.
Oo,
Yung
may
mga
TikTok.
ganong pasa ni Kerwin Manansala.
And Doy travels. San Simon in disarray ngayon. Can't get any open looks, can't catch a break. Ang dami nilang turnovers.
One minute and 40 seconds remaining. Luis Serrano. No Speedy Harvey this time. Back to Aldrin Serrano.
Wow!
Grabe yun.
Wow! Grabe naman yung layup na yun.
Tapos sasabihin niya, ito lang yung una niyang liga na ganito. Kalaki.
Kaya nga eh. Exactly my point, di ba?
I'm not saying that he's a liar.
That's my line. Good pass.
But look at what he has been showcasing. Arka mga kabalin. Tingnan mo, Enzo, yung mga tao dito, parang wala nang mauupuan.
Kaya nga eh.
Nakatayo na sila dun
And
sa
this
ilalim.
is quarterfinals 2 pa lang to, ah. Paano pa kaya bukas? Paano pa sa Sunday? Paano pa sa Monday? Paano pa sa finals?
Sana holiday yung Monday, no? Para madaming manood. Start kasi ng Ramadan yun eh.
Holiday ba naman, Monday? I did not know that.
Dapat.
Wala
Hindi
pa
pa, wala pang announcement. Pero usually, pag start ng Ramadan,
Oo, tama.
and
Di ko alam
that throw
yun,
is good.
Holiday pala na Monday.
Pero hindi pa ina-announce. Pero usually kasi pag start talaga ng Ramadan, nag-declare ng national holiday.
Mga estudyante talaga. Serrano, does that count? Counted down, sabi ng referee.
Now 31-23. Aldrin Serrano.
Great
Grabe.
drive there by Aldrin Serrano.
It's now an 8-point lead.
Nine-point lead na after that free throw.
Steven Angeles to Andre Dungo.
Hirap na hirap si Doy, oh. No open looks.
Pero walang kukuha nun dapat. The big team. Steven Angeles. 3 seconds remaining. That is too strong for Aldrin Serrano.
Coach Vince McMahon telling Serrano, dribble ka pa, there's still enough time for you to get a shot. Oh, open look.
15 on the shot clock. Too strong. Rebound by
Last
Arquero.
Doom was on the ground. Ball possession arrow pa, points the way of Florida Blanca. So for the final 10 seconds of the quarter, sila pa ang makakakuha ng final possession dito.
9-point lead for Florida Blanca, the biggest lead of the ball game.
What a second quarter para dito sa Florida Blanca. That's why they have a 9-point lead, 32-23.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run? 19 under, coming very soon.
PBA Legends and Sinag Lakas Corrente Basketball Exhibition Game on March 10, 2024 at Paint Branch High School, Burtonsville, Maryland. The scorers, our President and CEO for Sinag Liga Asha, together with our Commissioner Rodney Santos, Boss Ray Alao, and the PBA Legends, EJ File, Alvin Patrimonio, and John Ferriols will be playing.
The final 10 seconds of the first half dito. Can Florida Blanca finish what is a masterful performance dito sa second quarter after being flat in the first quarter?
8.7 seconds remaining. What will Florida Blanca do?
But great inbound defense the past two plays dito para sa San Simon. Oh, there's
Still
a
a
player down.
9-point lead.
One player down on the floor for San Simon, 5-on-4. And
Luis
Alquero.
Serrano. Point lead rather for Florida Blanca. Ending our first half 34-23. What a first half run para dito sa Florida Blanca. As we take a look here, our second quarter highlight. The three-point shot coming from Zolo Pascual and the three-point shot from Speedy Harvey Salvador. Take a look back here. Andre Dungo showing and proving everyone that is watching why he's the number 4 pick for the high school. What a run. Of course, mga kabalan, tutok lamang po dahil magbabalik tayo para sa ating 2024 Delta Cup. Florida Blanca, 34. I love San Simon with 23.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon. You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
You are still tuned at the Delta Cup 2024. And this is the battle between San Simon versus Florida Blanca. Before we go back to the ball game, kausapin muna natin ang dalawa sa biggest supporters ng San Simon, Pampanga. On my left side, I am with the Councilor of San Simon, Pampanga and one of the biggest supporter of Andre Dungo. Now, Councilor Dave Dungo, I only have one question lang po sa inyo. After all the achievements and improvements of Andre Dungo, gaano po ba kayo ka-proud being his father?
Siyempre, being a counselor, hindi lang si Andre ang sinusuportan natin. Lahat ng team, especially yung San Simon team. At siyempre, proud parents pa rin. Hindi lang ako nakasuporta sa kanya, sa buong team.
Now, Councilor, meron po ba kayong gustong batiin or pasalamatan?
Siyempre, lahat ng sa mga Simonians at siyempre si Governor Delta Dennis Pineda, lahat po, kung wala po siya, wala po tayong pinapanood ngayon. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Councilor Dave Dungo. Now, I am with the Mayor of Municipality of San Simon, Pampanga, Mayor June Punsalan. Now, Mayor, knowing na medyo malakas at palaban din po ang Florida Blanca, paano po ba pinagandaan ng San Simon itong laban na to at gaano po kayo kasuporta sa mga to?
Siyempre, taon-taon naman, all-out support natin. Especially yung LGU, no? All-out support kami sa aming mga player. At siyempre, nagpapasalamat kami kay Gov Delta. Kung wala siya, wala tayong magiging Delta Cup ngayon, no?
No, Mayor, meron po ba kayong gustong batiin or pasalamatan?
Sa lahat po ng taga San Simon, sa bayan namin, kakayanin po natin to. May dalawang quarter. So, pagsisikapan natin, mananalo tayo.
Thank you, Mayor Punsalan. Once again, that is Mayor Punsalan and Councilor Dave Dungo of San Simon, Pampanga. Now, let's turn it over to our panelists, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Of course, At the end of the first half, 34-23 in favor of ABE ABE. King Panyulong, Florida Blanca. As we take a look here, our halftime highlights. Care of that beautiful move from Andre Dungo and that pass from Kerwin Manansala and the jumper from Aldrin Serrano. Take a look back here, that steal from Jolo Pascual. Jolo, no, he passes it dito kay Steven Angeles, and beautiful move from Steven Angeles in this beautiful three-point shot from Speedy Harvey Salvador. Take a look back here, Andre Dungo with that beautiful one-hand shot. That pass from Kerwin Manansala once again. And of course, our leading scorers of the halftime for I Love San Simon, Andre Dungo with 10, Steven Angeles with 7, Jolo Pascual with 5, at para sa Panic ng Florida Blanca, Aldrin Serrano with 9, Harold Lopez with 6, and Shakil Orina with 6. Penelope Wilhelmina still joined by Enzo Golarosa and MJ Raimundo on the sideline.
And if tingnan mo yung box score dito for I Love San Simon, only 4 players has registered a point dito. Dungo with 10, 7 for Angeles, 5 para dito kay Jolo Pascual, and 1 para kay Anthony Kiambao, diba? As Dungo with that beautiful floater through the middle.
Nice steal from Andre Dungo. Back to Steven Angeles. Steven Angeles on a drive. Medyo kinulang lang doon si Angeles. Scramble, but recovery for Florida Blanca. But a miss for Kerwin Manansala on that drive. Balik ang bola. Dungo.
Pansin ko, tinanggal na ng ibang players dito yung mga compression shirt nila. Especially Dimla.
Rebound for Jin Layu. Speedy Harvey against Daryl Garcia. Speedy Harvey needed some help. Dito ang bola. Beautiful pass.
Tough shot.
8 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. Andre Dungo working with Carly Dimla. Daryl Garcia, Patrick Punsalan.
Hirap pa rin.
Parang nakatakip na naman yung mga ring natin dito lagi sa tuwing second half.
Hirap pa rin itong San Simon to get a bucket.
Now Harold Lopez for Florida Blanca entering our second half of this ball game.
Yes, he was ejected earlier. But speaking of, what a rejection right there by Steven Angeles on Gregorio.
8 minutes and 13 seconds remaining.
Ito si Glenn Gregorio.
Jello pa na yung isa.
Iupo na si Glenn Gregorio ngayon.
Mamaya ako na ito turn over kay Glenn.
Sa last game ka bumawi.
Aldrin Serrano now.
Grabe, look at how fast he drives that gap,
Nakakuha
diba?
pa siya ng foul doon.
Oo.
And look at here, Enzo, inside the BREN Zigaw. Ngayon ko lang may nakita umupo dito sa second floor ng BREN.
No choice na sila. Wala na sila mauupuan dito sa baba. Gusto talaga manood, diba? Especially paano pa kayo mamayang main game natin between
I'm
Apalit.
pretty sure na fans na yan, ang supporter na yan ng ating main game. Wala na po na silang maupuan na
Dito
yan.
yung mayor ng Apalit, diba? The beloved mayor of Apalit, Pampanga is right here. And sabi niya,
Jun
diba?
Tetanco.
Oh, Jun Tetanco.
Sabi niya, promise na yun sa akin nung in-interview ko siya. Pupunuin daw niya today ang BREN Zigaw Convention Center.
Mukhang promise delivered na nga ata eh. At wala pa ata dito crowd nila, diba? Harasik pa rin para kay Salihan.
Ito yung sinabi ko sa'yo kanina, no, Enzo. This could be a good ball game for San Simon. If Angeles and Salihan, pag pumutok tong dalawang to.
Oh, but look at that Serrano layup right there. Again, ito Florida Blanca just flexing their muscles on San Simon. Ibang klase talaga tong mga bata ni Coach Vince Igban.
Daryl Garcia gets 4. 7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining for our third quarter.
Take a look at that steal by Kerwin, and then Serrano threw it high off the glass para hindi na maabot ni Daryl Garcia.
37-25. Still in favor of Florida Blanca. A miss for Daryl Garcia. 7 minutes and 13 seconds remaining.
Grabe naman yun. Matador defense by Steven Angeles and na-expose yun galing dito kay Aldrin Serrano.
3-point shot from Salihan. Still no good. Recovery for San Simon. Steven Angeles against 4. Balik ang bola dito. Kay Dimla.
Siya. Is it on Orina or is it on Layug?
6
It's
minutes
on
and
Orina.
41 seconds. As Patrick Bunsalan will be sent to the 15-footer line.
Again, Patrick Bunzalan needs to start to wake up ngayon. He's the team captain of I Love San Simon and kailangan siya yung mag-lead ng team ngayon. Regardless if it's on defense or in his energy, kailangan mahawa ng kanyang mga kakampi ngayong araw. They're down by 12 points right now.
First throw is good. A 1 out of 2 for Patrick Bunzalan. Speedy Harvey with the basketball. He's instructing a play over here. Shaquille Arena for 3.
Open.
Steven Angeles almost on the rebound, but there's Kerwin Manansala. Still a recovery for Florida Blanca. Speedy Harvey. Look at that guy.
Grabe. Bilis. And Parley Dimla couldn't do anything but just foul him.
He will be sent to the free throw line. Hindi lang talaga mabilis sa depensa tong si Speedy Harvey. First throw is good for Speedy Harvey Salvador. 6 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. 41 to 27. As a baseline inbound for San Simon. Daryl Garcia with the basketball. Daryl Garcia against Aldrin Serrano. Back to Andre Dungo for 3.
Ayaw pa rin.
In and out. No 3-point field goal for Andre Dungo at the end of the first half.
Hirap na hirap sila. I mean, after those 2 bombs galing kay Steven Angeles, wala nang 3-point make itong I Love San Simon.
Speedy Harvey on that 3-point shot. It's short for Salvador. 5 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. Still 27 to 41 in favor of Florida Blanca. Dara Garcia again. Dara Garcia against Serrano. Balik ang bola kay Zolo Pascual.
Another turnover for San Simon. Hirap na talaga sila. They have been ice cold from the field. They have been turning the ball over. Florida Blanca's having the field day against San Simon right now.
14-point lead for Florida Blanca. 5 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Andre Dungo with the rebound.
Might have tweaked his calf a little bit. He was holding on to it pagbagsak niya. And look at that. Pagbagsak niya, he's holding on to that calf again. Doy a little bit slow to get up. Shaking itong si Andre Dungo. He was holding on to his right calf kanina, ngayon his left ankle.
We take a look back on what happened earlier.
Oh, medyo na-roll niya doon pagbagsak niya.
Andre Dungo already played 18 minutes and 58 seconds on our first half. 1 minute and 2 seconds rest for Andre Dungo. First throw is good. Makes that 11 points for Andre Dungo. As we can see here, the supportive father, Councilor Dave Dungo, together with Mayor June Punzalan of San Simon, Pampanga.
All smiles pa rin, ha? Si Councilor Dave.
2 out of 2 for Andre Dungo.
He needs to start to heat up. Revert back to that quarterfinal. It's one do-or-die game. Kung saan nag-take over talaga si Doy. Needs to go back to that if they want to still fight tomorrow for the semifinal round. Look at Angeles. Kaso natumba si Steven.
He wasn't able to keep the basketball at his hand.
And Dungo
Andre
keeps it
Dungo for
alive.
the recovery.
And ito na naman, he's holding on kanina so his left ankle again.
Andre Dungo, will he drive? Miss for Dungo.
Pahirapan.
Nandun pa din siya para sa rebound.
Pahirapan for Andre Dungo.
Kung kanina, ang depensa ng Guagua ay nakafocus kay CJ Delfino. Ang depensa ng Florida Blanca ay nakafocus kay Andre Dungo.
Yes, I mean, everybody in Pampanga knows who this kid is. You rank number 4 in the entire country,
30
di ba?
points on their first battle of the
Exactly.
quarterfinals round 1. And after that, on their game 2 between Ingbaoyong Mexico, 26 points.
Exactly, yun nga. Andre Dungo can explode anytime, but right now he's grimacing in pain. Nalakad lang ni Doyan, but etong Florida Blanca kasi they're playing as a team. Really in one unit itong Florida Blanca ngayon. Credit that to the coaching staff, ni Coach Vince Ekban. And look at that play. Beautiful pin down screen for Harvey Salvador.
Nice spin from Shaquille Arena. There was a foul against Jin Layub.
You're I love San Simon. You have to refocus yourselves. Medyo yung body language nila, you can see it's dejected a little bit, but the 12-point lead lang to, 4 minutes and 5 seconds pa lang ng third quarter. Ang dami pang oras.
As Coach Vince Ekban approaches ng ating table officials, clarifying something. Glenn Gregorio checks in again for Florida Blanca. Daryl Garcia.
Uh-oh. Flight time.
Take charge right now.
Down to 10.
3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Shaquille Arena.
Good pick and roll. Good pick and roll execution there.
Kerwin Manansala. Now, a 12-point lead for Florida Blanca, the biggest lead of the ballgame. Balik kay Daryl Garcia ang bola. Back to Golo Pascual. Miss pass. Dapat kay Patrick Consalan yun. There was a
foul.
whistle.
Great defense. And one thing I'm noticing dito on the offense of both sides. Dito sa Florida Blanca, they're playing team basketball. Running their sets, running their pick and rolls. Dito sa San Simon, I'm seeing them go ISO with Garcia and Dungo often. And that's not a formula for winning. Especially with the kind of defense that Florida Blanca is imposing.
Judy Harvey. Shaquille Arena misses that three-point shot. Rebound for Steven Angeles. Steven Angeles for three. Daryl Garcia
Ayaw
with that
pa rin
one-hand
talaga.
shot. And you know, nung nalabas itong si Randolph Simbulan, hindi na muna siya binalik dito. Because
As you say that.
Dante Torres. And here,
As you say that.
tinawag na, parang naririnig.
Parang-
Naka-in-house ba tayo
Oo.
dito?
Kaya nga, yung binanggit mo si Coach Benji Navarro, biglang dumating, di ba? Yung parang, yung mga binabanggit mo, dumadating eh.
May isa akong babanggitan, hindi yung dadating.
It's on you. Ano, Ray Alaw. Talaga hindi dadating yun. Nasa US, si Boss Ray.
As we take a look. Harvey.
Oh, kapit-kapit nga. You can see, kapit-kapit nga ni Kerwin Manansala yung kaliwang kamay.
Kung si referee,
That's-
niloloko ka pa, Enzo.
Hey, I agree naman with the call eh.
2 minutes and 48 seconds left. As that first free throw shot is missed for Dolo Pascual.
Di ba
1 out
napapagod
of
itong
2
mga
for Dolo
droppers natin?
Pascual. Kaya nga eh. Parang ako'y napapagod para sa kanila. Shaquille Arena with the basketball. Jumper. No hesitation whatsoever on the jumper by Shaquille Arena.
Drop coverage na naman. During drop coverage, you're allowing the ball handler to get a shot off. Kaya dapat high pick and roll eh. A high coverage ang ginagawa nyo, not drop.
Bulan.
Ayaw pa rin talaga for San Simon.
Steven Angeles against Kerwin Manansala. Pinasa niya dito kay Simbulan. Balik kay Angeles. One shot.
4-on-1. Nanalo pa yung nag-iisa. Ayaw pa rin for Steven.
What a great team coming from Florida Blanca.
And look at that, the body language of I Love San Simon. Andun na yung frustration. 4-on-1. Nanalo pa yung nag-iisang Florida Blanca player. Steal ulit. Di pa rin kayo nakakonvert.
But looking back on what happened on there, medyo nagmadali kasi. Nag-scramble na nga doon yung depensa. So no recovery time. Fernando Simbulan and Steven Angeles together with Jolo Pascual.
Yes.
Sa opensa nila na yun.
Pahirapan talaga sila.
As you take a look here at the mga solid supporters of Florida Blanca. 1 out of 2 now. Para dito kay Alquero. Rebound by Patrick Ponzalan. Balik kay Boy ang bola. There's a whistle.
And dahil penalty na 2 free throws mabibigay dito kay Andre Dungo, and they desperately need these free throws right now. A minute and 37 natitira, 14-point lead para dito sa Florida Blanca after the third period. If you're San Simon, your goal is to just cut this lead down to single digits. Then again, you have to shoot your free throws.
Sorry, Mr. Andre Dungo. His father, Kansas Andre Dungo. And ito, head coach Dante Torres for I Love San Simon. One out of 2 for Andre Dungo. 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining for our third period. Shaki Lorena with the basketball against Andre Dungo. Random Simbulan on the rebound. Almost a steal. There you go. It. This is usually the play of I Love San Simon. Nagkakaroon lang sila ng scramble sa depensa nila eh.
Yes, and ganda din kasi na offensive plays dito ng Florida Blanca, really involving everyone. Everyone's moving, everyone's doing something. No one's just standing there on a spot. But take a look at that. Pass by the Tuluwid 1 Kapampangan Cager. Sabi ni Garcia kay Simbulan, there you have it.
Speaking of Luwid 1 Kapampangan, one of the hustle rising star players, Glenn Gregorio. Andre Dungo against Gregorio. Nice pass.
Ayaw pa rin talaga.
Shaki Lorena. There was a foul against Acer Salihan. To 48 with 32.6 seconds remaining. As Shaki Lorena was sent to the free throw line. 13-point lead for Florida Blanca, the biggest lead on the ballgame. Shaki Lorena. OR2. Andre Dungo with 15 seconds on the shot clock. 22 on the game
play.
clock.
Great play right there for San Simon. What a play. Ano lang pala yun? Pan-distract lang pala yung pick and roll dapat for Dungo. Kumakat dun sa salihan sa ilalim.
Baba sa lima ang Baba sa Sham rather. Ang kalamangan.
That'll do
time.
it.
48 to 37, an 11-point lead para dito sa banner ng Florida Blanca. Take a look back here dito sa ating quarter highlights. Coming from Kerwin Manansala and this beautiful move from Aldrin Serrano. Makes this ballgame 48-37. That jumper from Shakil Orina. Take a look back here. Yung beautiful drive that dito ni Glenn Gregorio makes this ballgame 48-37. Entering our fourth and final quarter of this ballgame with 11-point lead para sa panig ng Florida Blanca.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Aldrin Serrano, one of the players with 9 points, 2 rebounds, 6 assists, and 4 steals to quarterfinals round 1.
Kulang pa nga ata yun, di ba? Kasi explosive scorer siya, but he didn't need to do as much. Pero ngayon,
14 points, 1 rebound, and 2 assists. And he now sits at the bench.
What a
Iba na ang
ballgame.
player dito for Coach Vincent Pan. Glenn Gregorio working with Luis Serrano. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang fourth quarter update. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Malaking bagay daw itong game na to for Team Florida Blanca, lalo na pag nakuha nila ang panalo. Malaking impact daw kasi ito sa team nila, lalo na sa mga supporters nila. According to Aldrin Serrano, more than the confidence inside the court, puso din daw nila ipapakita ang tunay na laban. He also added that despite of the hindrances they have, mananatili daw silang lalaban at dadalhin ang pride ng Florida Blanca because they are not playing for themselves but they are playing for their supporters. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Aldrin Serrano saying that they're playing not only for themselves, but also playing para dito sa kanilang supporters. And of course,
Doy
for
cannot
the
stand
name,
up. Doy cannot stand up. He's
not
having trouble
upstairs.
standing up. It's his hamstring. It's either cramps ang nararamdaman niya. Let's not forget, he did have issues sa UAAP Juniors with his hamstrings, di ba? There was a game there where he said medyo humihigpit yung hamstring niya. Let's just hope na cramps lang to for Andre Dungo.
Kanina pa niya iniinda yan eh.
By the way, they're stretching it. Let's hope na cramps lang to. But again, he does have history of hamstring injuries. Kailangan pa naman siya dito ng I Love San Simon.
Baba na sa siyamang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca, 48-39.
That's leaving it all on the floor. As you can see, the proud father of Andre, Councilor Dave Dungo, with Coach Pedic Di Matulak. Doy still down.
He can't move his left.
Oh, still grimacing in pain. After he hit the layup, tumumba agad siya and he was trying to get back up. But the pain of his left leg just would not allow him to get back up. Let's take a look. Medyo ano din kasi, awkward din kasi yung pagtalon niya, and immediately once he landed, he was grimacing and hopping. Then he just crashes down to the ground. By the way, they're stretching him right now and pinapa-immobilize yung leg niya. I believe it's just cramps, pero let's hope na cramps lang talaga yan.
And he needs to rest. I think that's the reason why Coach Pedic Di Matulak approaches Councilor Dave Dungo.
Well, magkakilala din kasi yan, mga magkakaibigan eh. As Doy being carried back. Still grimacing in pain pa rin si Andre. It's not a good sign. Regardless if you're a fan of I Love San Simon, if you're a fan of basketball, you know the potential of this kid.
You can see here Councilor Dave Dungo, the father of Andre Dungo.
A look of concern from the father. Doy's lying down there. But San Simon needs to refocus themselves right now without their star scorer, Andre Dungo.
Rebound. Scramble. Recovery for Florida Blanca. But there is out of bounds. Baba sa siyamang kalamangan ng I Love San Simon after that drive from Andre Dungo.
And babalik pa dito ni Coach Vincent man si Aldrin Serrano.
Steven Hanglet sa simbulan.
Pahirapan.
Hirap na hirap sila dito.
Naitabig pa. Grabe, everything's just going the way of Florida Blanca right now.
8 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Aldrin Serrano. For
Layo.
3. Stroke. Daryl Garcia on the rebound. Pass to Isar Salihan. Kinulak lang. Balik ang bola kay Glenn Gregorio. There was a whistle.
Oo.
We're stuck at 48 to 39. Still
Steven
in
Angel.
favor of Florida Blanca.
Steven Angeles is also down for I Love San Simon, holding on to his neck, holding on to his head behind the ear area. Just try to shake it off. Again, they're playing with Dungo sitting down on the bench. Let's take a look at that. The missed layup from Gregorio. On the rebound play, Angeles gets the ball while he was on the ground. Tas nadaganan siya inadvertently ni Gregorio, trying to get the basketball back. If
8 minutes and 11 seconds remaining.
If San Simon wants to win this game, they have to do it now. Get the momentum back right now. Ayaw pa rin talaga for Daryl.
Glenn Gregorio.
Grabe! What a layup galing dito kay Glenn Gregorio.
Look at the crowd of Florida Blanca celebrating. You take a look back. Glenn Gregorio on the drive. Nakakuha pa siya ng foul against Patrick Punzalan.
Absorbing the contact.
And one play is complete.
Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca.
Lola Pascual. Patrick Punzalan.
Ayaw pa rin.
Glenn Gregorio once again.
Grabe naman
Back
yun.
to back. Shot from Glenn Gregorio.
And look at the body language dito na I Love San Simon and Florida Blanca. One team dejected, one team nararamdaman na ang kanilang pag-qualify sa semifinals round right after this beautiful layup right here galing kay Glenn Gregorio. 5 points now in the fourth quarter for Glenn. Much to the delight of the fans dito ng Florida Blanca. 53 to 39 is our score. 7 minutes and 32 natitira sa ating laro.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
As we can see here, Andre Dungo sitting down on the bench, and we'll get an update from MJ Raimundo right now on Andre Dungo's injury. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Enzo. Malaking bagay nga ito si Andre Dungo ng Team San Simon para sa kanila, lalo na ngayon na naghahabol sila for the score. Pero according to Andre, hindi na nga daw siya makakabalik at medyo masakit daw talaga ang kanyang legs after the cramps. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Di na daw siya makakabalik dahil sa cramps. That is a big, big deal para dito sa San Simon. Your star player, the number 4 ranked high school player in the country, won't be finishing this ball game due to cramps. Now, luckily, cramps lang. Again, Andre has had the history with injuries with his hamstring.
Of course.
Dating back nung NCAA juniors pa siya
And
with San Beda.
He needs to take care of what
Oo.
happened because of course he has a bright future in the
Oo.
Philippine basketball. And of course, hindi niya pwedeng i-risk yun.
Yes, I mean, dangerous yan. And tama lang yun ang decision ni Andre and also I believe Coach Dante Torres, the head coach of San Simon. Hindi na rin nila ipipilit si Dungo dito. Trust the 5 on the floor. Trust the other players na mag-step up dito. 11-point lead lang ito. With 7 minutes pa, marami pang oras dito para sa laro.
You have a random simbulan. Meron ka
Uh-oh!
pang...
Uh-oh!
Hindi ka pa niya pinagbibigyan.
Hindi,
Mahabol pa. Wait
nagkamali
lang.
ng puwelo eh. Pero if that was a dunk, that would have waken up itong San Simon. But nonetheless, 2 points is still 2 points. And look at the ball pressure right here for San Simon. Harvey's trapped.
But Jinlayo was there. Alquero.
Offensive foul! And
Against Speedy
napuhayan
Harvey.
ang San Simon.
What a crazy run para dito sa remaining 6 minutes and 32 seconds of our ball game. Daryl Garcia, this is just a 9-point lead. Daryl Garcia will drive, no! Pinalik ni Jolo Pascual, balik kay Garcia ang bola.
And he is fouled. Daryl trying to lead the way.
Still, nakakuha pa din ng foul doon si Daryl Garcia. As you take a look on what happened, Daryl Garcia scouring that one, tumama doon sa kamay. Dito, sa kanang kamay ni Daryl Garcia. Si Alquero. Six minutes and 18 seconds remaining.
Yun
That
lang.
is too strong.
It's the free throws. They have to hit their free throws.
One out of two for Daryl Garcia. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca. From 13 points, the biggest leader of the ballgame. It's now down to 8 as we approach, as we are now down to the last 6 minutes and 18 seconds of our ballgame. Timeout on the floor.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
We are still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asya, born 2000 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta. So ito, as I mentioned earlier, jam-packed BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Let's take a look here. Oh. Puno-puno tayo
pa yan.
dito.
Oh, good pass. Great play right there. Yun nga lang nawawala. And they're gonna stop.
Garcia to Steven Angeles. Tuwang-tuwa.
Grabe.
Nag-enjoy na ulit ang San Simon dito. 45 to 53.
What a counter.
Pero bawi dito ni Glenn Gregorio.
What a counter move right there by Glenn Gregorio. And bola ulit ng Florida Blanca.
Dahil nakaapak sa linya itong si Random Simbulan.
And here comes Manuel and Kerwin Manansala back. Upo muna si Aldrin Serrano. And ito si Kurt Reyes.
Balik sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca. 7 rather.
They're having
Kerwin
trouble.
Manansala.
Good pass. Oh, 3-second violation.
Hindi na nila naririnig dito yung free throw ng ating referee.
Three-second violation was whistled underneath there, nullifying the basket.
Five minutes and 13 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter of this ball game. 7 lang ang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca from the 13 biggest leader of the ball game. So Daryl Garcia.
Great read on the pick and roll defense as
Carly
Dibla gets
Dibla
blocked.
three. He's waiting for a whistle. There was no given. Let's go to the other end. Speedy Harvey. 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. 10 on the shot clock. What a move from Speedy Harvey. Too strong. Randab on the rebound. Balik ang bola sa kanyang kapwa. Luwid 1 sa Pampangan teammate. Balik ang bola. Steven Angeles for 3!
Whoa! What a shot!
The timely shot for Steven Angeles.
Big moment 2.0.
It's now just a 5-point lead for Florida Blanca from 13 biggest lead of the ballgame. Still 4 minutes and 21 seconds as head coach Dante Torres as we take a look at that pass.
Great pin down screen right there
No
by Sipulan.
hesitation from Steven Angeles and finds the bottom of the net. Make the 3-point shot timely for San Simon. Shaquille Lorina against Jolo Pascual. Jolo Pascual.
Great defense by Jolo.
Hindi niya iniiwan. Sasagot ba ng 3 si Orina?
And Angeles is fouled. And that puts Florida Blanca in the penalty.
It's against Kerwin Manansala. Big moment for Steven Angeles. 3 minutes and 59 seconds remaining. This is Steven's chance para mas mapababa ang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca. 1 out of 2 now for Steven Angeles.
The former Letra Knight can cut the lead down to just 3. But he misses that second free throw.
1 out of 2. But what a great drive coming from Kerwin Manansala. Binawi niya yung foul na nabigay niya doon kay Steven Angeles as we take a look back here. That pass from Ocarina to Steven Angeles against Daryl Garcia. Si Dimla ang naka-foul doon. Paghabol niya. And one play is complete for Kerwin Manansala. Minutes and 51 seconds remaining. Inbound for Ilong San Simon.
7-point lead. There's still a lot of time for San Simon to come back. Yun nga lang, they turn it over again.
The captain, Patrick Punsalan. 7-point lead now again for Florida Blanca with 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Shaquille Lorina against Jolo Pascual. Orina. Pascual is fouled. Penalty na dito ang parehong kupunan.
These are big free throws for Florida Blanca para lumaki ang kanilang kalamangan.
Minutes and 34 seconds remaining. Orina misses the first. One out of 2 for Shaquille Orina. Balik sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca. Daryl Garcia. Jolo Pascual. Back to Steven Angeles. What will Steven do? Jolo Pascual. Back to Daryl Garcia for 3.
Niluwa lang.
Pa. 3 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Shaquille Lorina against Daryl Garcia this time.
Again,
Nakuha
good
pa dito ni
defense.
Glenn Gregorio.
Good defense again from Florida Blanca.
Kerwin Manansalo with the basketball. Balik ang bola kay Orina against Steven Angeles. Nakuha ni Jolo Pascual. 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Namadali dito ni Daryl Garcia.
And Daryl looks hurt. Daryl looks hurt. Daryl's hurt down on the floor. They're playing 5-on-4 on defense right now. He's still grimacing in pain after the layup.
59-53, a 6-point lead for Florida Blanca.
Last 2
1 minute
minutes na.
and 54 seconds remaining. Shaquille Orina. Iniinda pa rin ng Daryl Garcia.
Still hobbling.
Shaquille. Parley Dimla. Dimla will drive, no. Minimik niya ang bola dito kay Jolo Pascual. Back to Dimla. Back to Steven Angeles for 3.
Oh! What a shot! Big moment 2.0!
And take a look at Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda's reaction after that shot from Steven Angeles. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Timely 3-point shot coming from Steven Angeles.
Grabe, what
a
a
player
shot!
for Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
There was no timeout. There was just a substitution. Akala na lahat ng players may timeout.
Hindi na kasi talaga tayo magkarinigan
Oo.
dito.
And we can see Governor Dennis Delta Pineda on your screens. Kanina nakangiti siya after that bag three-pointer by Steven Angeles. 3-point lead for Florida Blanca.
Speedy Harvey. Back to Glenn Gregorio. Traveling violation.
What a stop
This is
para sa
just
San Simon.
a 3-point lead for I Love San Simon. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. From 14-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game, bumaba ito sa tatlo. No Andre Dungo for I Love San Simon.
Grabe, what a run. Sparked by Garcia and Angeles. Stepping up when Dungo was out. It's big moment 2.0. As we can see.
Mayor Jun Bunsalan wearing the red shirt, of course, on his right side. On his left side, ito si Councilor Dave Dungo, the father of Andre Dungo. Nakita mo yung mga ngiti na may kasama ng kabayan. Parang ngiti kanina
Parang
ni Mayor Tonton
Kay Mayor
Torres.
Esme kanina, di ba? Kay Mayor Esme and kay Mayor Tonton Torres.
1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. Ball possession for I Love San Simon. As there was a traveling violation called again as Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda together with Coach Pedic Di Matulag and Mayor Jun Tetanco of Apalit, Pampanga. Enjoying the games here at Delta Cup.
What did Coach Dante Torres draw up here? Down by 3.
Daryl Garcia to Steven Angeles. Another big moment for him. No,
Same spot.
that was short.
That was a forced shot from Steven. He hit 2 already, but that was a forced shot.
Speedy Harvey against Daryl Garcia.
Kanya pa rin. They can review that.
Magkaka-replay.
Yes, they can review that.
35 seconds remaining. Mas magre-review dito ang ating mga referees. Because this will be an important possession for both teams.
Crucial kanino mapupunta tong bola if it's for Florida Blanca. Waste away as much seconds as you can, but if it's for San Simon, You have to get a basket the next time you get the basketball. Bola ng San Simon!
This will be an important possession.
Take a look at that. Speedy Harvey. Sa kanya pa yung bola. After 3 blue jerseys converged with him, pero siya nga lang na last touch doon.
Inbound for San Simon. There's
Down
a
by
3-point
3.
lead for Florida Blanca. Daryl Garcia.
Oh!
Miss pass from Daryl.
What a block! But nandun for the putback. That was a crucial putback for Florida Blanca.
Sayang yung pasa doon ni Daryl Garcia. It goes straight to both hands of Aldrin Serrano.
Grabe, the basketball gods were just smiling at Florida Blanca's side that time. That steal by Serrano in the putback after the block. And look at the crowd dito for Florida Blanca behind their bench. What a sequence right here in the final minute.
23.8 seconds remaining. 4-point lead. 5-point lead rather. Para sa Panig.
Take a look at this one more time.
Ng
The steal
Florida
from
Blanca.
Serrano. The block right there by Pascual. And then yung putback. Pumasok na lang para dito kay Shaq. Shaq Urina with a crucial putback.
Azar Salihan to Steven Angeles against Kerwin Manansala.
Force shot again.
Parley Dimla. Scramble. Recovery.
And that might have done it. That might have done it. That might have done it for Florida Blanca.
Aldrin Serrano sharing some moments with Zinbert Layug.
What a stop for Florida Blanca there.
Speedy Harvey on the free throw line. Na-secure pa yun dito ni Speedy Harvey. to 56. Dara Garcia to Azar Salihan.
That's it. That is it. What a victory para dito sa Florida Blanca.
There you have it. 63 to 56. The final score for Ilo San Simon contra ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca. What a close win. What a close fourth quarter. It could have been a good stop for I Love San Simon. But Andre Dungo's absence, mas nahirapan itong panig ng I Love San Simon to get back on the ball game at makabalik dito, makaabante on the point advantage ng Florida Blanca. 63 to 56 is our final score in favor of Florida Blanca, and I Love San Simon bids their last ball game para dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024. Of course, we would like to thank Coach Dante Torres together with Assistant Coach Gian Mago, Edrem Dimla, and Rich Bravo. And of course, Patrick Campbell, the team manager para sa panig ng I Love San Simon. But ngayon, kasama ko na nga ang ating Delta Cup Best Player of the Game for ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca, Aldrin Serrano with 14 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. First of all, Aldrin, congratulations. You showed a little emotion kanina doon sa gitna ng ating court. So, how does your shot, yung mga shot mo ngayon, ano sa pakiramdam mo ngayon?
Sobrang saya. Tsaka, sinuwerte kami.
Aldrin, yung combination nyo dito sa ating dito sa ating quarterfinals, what more should we expect for Aldrin Serrano at sa buong Florida Blanca papunta sa ating semifinals?
Advance na kami sa top 4. Malaking bagay sa amin yun. Mas gagalingan pa namin. Ibibigay pa namin ng 100% namin.
Now, Aldrin, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, at sa lahat ng sumusuporta para sa Florida Blanca.
Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa taas. At saka sa mayor namin, tsaka kay Boss Darren Manalansan. At saka sa buong teammate ko. Kasama kong lahat sila dito. Tsaka sa pamilya ko, sa mama ko, sa papa ko. Tsaka kay tito ko, RG. Tsaka sa mga tropa ko na palaging nakasuporta. Tsaka sa buong Florida Blanca.
Once again, congratulations, Aldrin, and good luck to the semifinals. Once again, that's Aldrin Serrano with 14 points, 1 rebound, and 2 assists, the best player for ABE ABE King PANYULONG Florida Blanca. The final score, 56-63, won by your ABE ABE King PANYULONG Florida Blanca. Coming up next, our main game, the home team, Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka, kontra Apalit. I love it. For MJ Raimundo, Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramanino Toroa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024. This has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.